So we have a question here. If you look at the diagram, points A, B are given, and there is an unknown point C. Together they are forming a triangle. We're given that the gradient of AB is 2m, and then AC's gradient is minus 2m, BC's gradient is m. So we have to first of all give the value of m. So using the gradient of m, I can say that, the gradient of AB, I can say that this 2m is basically y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is 24 over 12, so that is going to be 2. So this means that if the gradient of AB is 2, the gradient of AC will be minus 2, and this is going to be 1 because your m is 1. Okay, so this way you have got the gradients of all the three lines. Then it says find the coordinates of C. Now this is something that I haven't discussed with you in detail. Refining the gradient of, the coordinates of C. One way is to find the equations of BC and AC and then solve them simultaneously. Because we have the gradients, we have a point on them, so we should quickly write the equation of m of AC. We have that is minus 2. Therefore, equation of AC can be I plus 2, that is minus 2 into x minus 3. So this y plus 2 is minus 2x plus 6. So we have y equal to minus 2x plus 4. I'm going to call this equation number 1. Then I'll be writing the equation of BC. So m is, the gradient of BC is 1, okay? So we have the point B. So y minus 22, x minus 15. This y is x plus 7. That is the second equation. So if we want to find the point C's coordinates, we have to solve these two equations simultaneously. So let's equate. Yes, beta?
Sir, जब हम AB की equation निकाल रहे हैं तो हम उसमें point A use कर सकते हैं?
A, B के लिए you can use any of the points A or B, whichever point you want. Okay. Okay. So now this solving them simultaneously. Okay. So I'm keeping the y equal to the y. Okay. So this will give me minus 2x plus 4 equal to x plus 7. So we have 3x equal to minus 3. So x equal to minus 1. So one thing is clear, yes. Since this was towards the left side of the y-axis, so C x coordinate should be minus. So this is minus 1. Let's put that into equation number 1. So y is going to be 2 plus 4, that is 6. So this point C is minus 1 comma 6. So I'm going to repeat that. To find the coordinates of C, we have solved the equations of AC and BC simultaneously. Okay. Now, next it says the perpendicular bisector of AB meets BC at. Okay. So perpendicular bisector of AB meets BC at D. So it would be something like this. Now, does it look like the perpendicular bisector of AB? Yes, Anna? Okay. So this is the perpendicular bisector of AB. This meets this BC at the point D. Here is the point D. So you have to find the equation of this perpendicular bisector now, and you will solve that simultaneously with the line BC. Okay, let me find some place here to do that. So we already know that what is the gradient of this AB. So what is the gradient of this perpendicular bisector? AB's gradient is 2, so this will be minus half. Therefore, the equation is going to be y. Oh, I have to find the midpoint as well. Before I find the midpoint, find the equation, I need to know the midpoint. Oh, yes. So I'm going to erase this for a minute. Okay, so I need to have the midpoint. Obviously, without the midpoint, I can't write the equation. So the midpoint of AB, that is 15 plus 3 over 2, that is 9. 22 minus 2 over 2 is going to be 10. This is the midpoint. This is 9, 10. Now we can write the equation. Therefore, the equation is y minus 10, that is minus half into x minus 9. So this is 2y minus 20 minus x plus 9. So this is 2y minus 29 minus x. So x is 29 minus 2y. Let us substitute this x quickly into the equation of BC that I have here. Okay. So this is going to be y is equal to 29 minus 2y plus 7. So this, is that right, bacho? Or I'm making any mistake here? Okay, now this is going to be y, this is 3y equal to 36. Yeah, this is y equal to 12. And let's put y here. And then your x is going to be 12 minus 7, that is 5. So this point D has the coordinates 5, 12. Again, let me repeat that. You can see two things, bacho. One thing is your ability to write the equation of a line. And the second thing is your ability to solve the equations simultaneously. So I have told you that right in the beginning of this chapter that you have to be really good at these two things. Okay? So that is how we find the coordinates of D.